thank you for being here tonight, for showing up with so much love for Purna and for our family. This evening has been put together very thoughtfully. Yes, it is a concert and you will be hearing some beautiful music. But it is also something a little more personal. We wanted to create an evening where the art, the artist, and a deeper intention sit together. Where music doesn't just entertain, but helps us to meet the girl behind the voice. For Purna, music has never been separate from who she is. It hasn't been something that she does. It is something that she has grown with, something that has steadied her, shaped her, and given her a way to feel the world deeply. And to understand that relationship, we actually need to go back to a time before Purna even sang on a stage, before she was even a person separate from her mother. When she was still in her mother's womb, her family began to notice something quietly beautiful. From around the 5th or the 6th month, whenever music played, whether it was a song or her grandfather chanting mantras, there was movement, a response, almost like recognition. One part of her mother's tummy would lift and move with the sound. And the moment the music stopped, everything would go still again. At that time, it didn't feel like a story that needed interpretation. It was simply observed, taken in, smiled at. But in hindsight, it tells us something important. Before Purna had a name, before she had an identity of her own, before she was even separate from her mother, music was already a place that she responded to. She arrived in the world surrounded by sound, rhythm, prayer, and warmth, deeply wanted, deeply welcomed. And that sense of grounding has stayed with her. Maybe that is why, even today, music does more for Purna than perform or impress. It steadies her, it centers her. It is where she feels most at home with herself. So when we say Purna Unplugged, we're really talking about a relationship that began long before stages and microphones and has quietly grown with her ever since. Purna was very clear to us about one thing, that the song she's going to sing now had to be the opening song. For her, this rendition isn't just an invocation, it is an orientation, a way of centering herself before offering anything outward. It speaks to a quiet kind of strength. Not the kind that announces itself, but the kind that steadies you from within. The kind that comes from feeling held, understood, and grounded like she is. Purna dedicates this to the most important person in her life, her eye, her anchor, and her guiding star. Because before Purna is a singer or a performer or anything else, she is a child who has grown up deeply loved and supported. And that support has allowed Purna to approach music not with pressure, but with sincerity. And this is how Purna enters a space.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरथे त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करदोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरथे धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि उर्मत्सोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जगदं भमदं भगदं भवना प्रियवासिनि हासरथे शिखर शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्गनिदादय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभवन्दिनि कैटभवञ्जिनि रासरथे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कुण्डविकुण्डितरुण्डविकुण्ठितशुण्डगजाधिपते ऋतुगजगण्डविधारण चण्डपराक्रमशुण्डमृगधिपते द्विजभुजदण्डनिपातितखण्डविपातितमुण्डभताधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते दुर्मथ शत्रुविभूतित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते चतुर विचारधुरी नमः शिव भूतकृत प्रमदाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुरासय दुर्मति भानवदूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
While speaking to Purna's parents and grandparents, one thing became very clear to me. Purna has always had structure in her life, but never fear. She learned classical music with discipline, yes, but she was never asked to hold it too tightly. Tradition for her was never about don't do this or don't go there. It was simply a place that she could return to. The next song that she's going to sing feels a little bit like that. It comes from a classical space, but it allows itself to move, to pick up new sounds, new rhythms, without losing where it started. This balance, feels very natural to Purna. She likes having a strong bass and just enough freedom to let that music breathe.
रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मुहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मुहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे। रंग सारे गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंग सारे गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे। रंगी सारी है, रंगी सारी, रंगी सारी, रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंग सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे। जावो जी जावो, जावो जी जावो, जावो जी जावो। जावो जी जावो, जावो जी जावो, जावो जी जावो। आ जावो जी जावो, जावो जी जावो, करो ना बतिया, ए जीवाली है हाय, ए जीवाली है मोरी उमर यारे, ए जीवाली है मोरी उमर यारे, मोहे मारे हाय मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे। रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंगी सारी पहनी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया, गुलाबी चुनरिया पहनी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोहे मारे हाय मोहे मारे, मोहे मारे मोहे मारे मारे मारे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे। रंगी सारी हाय, रंगी सारी रंगी सारी रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरिया रे, मोहे मारे हाय मोहे मारे, मोहे मारे मोहे मारे मारे मारे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया रे, मोहे मारे नजरिया सावरिया।
इस वाइब को मैं इंटरप्ट करके और ख़राब नहीं करना चाहती, सो एक और हो जाए।
मेघा छाए आधी रात, बैरन बन गई निंदिया, मेघा छाए आधी रात, बैरन बन गई निंदिया, बता दे मैं क्या करूं, मेघा छाए आधी रात, बैरन बन गई निंदिया। बरन बन गई निंदिया मेघा छाए आधी रात बरन बन गई निंदिया बता दे मैं क्या करूं मेघा छाए आधी रात बरन बन गई निंदिया सबके आंगन दिया जले रे मोरे आंगन जिया हवा लागे शूल जैसी ताना मारे चुनरिया सबके आंगन दिया जले रे मोरे आंगन जिया हवा लागे शूल जैसी ताना मारे चुनरिया आई है आंसू की बरन बन गई निंदिया बता दे मैं क्या करूं मेघा छाए आधी रात बरन बन गई निंदिया घूमर घूमर भदरा घिर आई रे जिया डर डर लागे फिर हम छतिया धर धर काबे को बरन बन जाए निंदिया रूठ गई रे सपने सारे टूट गई रे आशा नैन बहे गंगा मोरी फिर भी मन है प्यासा रूठ गई रे सपने सारे टूट गई रे आशा नैन बहे गंगा मोरी फिर भी मन है प्यासा किसे कहूँ रे मन की बात बरन बन गई निंदिया बता दे मैं क्या करूं मेघा छाए आधी रात बरन बन गई निंदिया बरन बन गई निंदिया बरन
That song leaves you with a certain kind of quiet, doesn't it? Megha Chhai Adhi Raat doesn't rush feeling. It doesn't try to fix it or move past it. It just lets emotions sit for a while. Purna's mother told me something that stayed with me for a while. Even as a very young child, Purna would often notice when someone around her wasn't doing okay. Not in a dramatic way, just very quietly. She'd look at you, pause, and ask, "What happened?" Or she'd come and sit closer to you. Or she'd keep checking in on you until you smiled again. It wasn't something that she was taught, it was just instinct. That same instinct clearly shows up in how she listens to music. Purna once told me that when she hears a song, the first thing she pays attention to is the lyrics, the words, and what they're really saying. Because for her, words help her make sense of feelings, her own and other people's. They comfort her, they give shape to things that are otherwise hard for her to say out loud. And that is where the next song comes in. This song is built on exactly that kind of attentiveness. It doesn't depend on vocal gymnastics or dramatic moments. Its beauty lies in its therav, in steadiness, in pause, in what is held back. It is a song where silence matters, where the gaze does most of the speaking. So when Purna sings it, she isn't just singing a melody. She's entering a space that is asking you to look closely, listen carefully, and stay present. And that is very natural to Purna.
जाम भरे भरे ये नयन डरे डरे ये जाम भरे भरे जरा मुझे जीने दो ये नयन डरे डरे रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी तू सबसे हंसी मेरे दिलबर रात हंसी ये चांद हंसी तू सबसे हंसी और तुझसे हंसी और तुझसे हंसी तेरा प्यार तू जाने ना ये नयन डरे डरे ये जाम भरे भरे रा 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 रा
If there is one thing that has consistently centered Purna, it is knowing that she's not alone. She does her best when someone from home is nearby, when she feels held. That sense of being accompanied, Not pressure, not expectation, just presence, has always mattered deeply to her. This next song reflects exactly that feeling of walking forward, knowing that you're supported. And what makes this moment special tonight is also how Purna has chosen to approach this. She loves old stories, she loves classic songs, and she loves to play with sound. One of her favorite things to do is to take two different musical ideas and see how they fit together, almost like solving a puzzle. So today, she's blending a very old, beautiful classical track with an old Bollywood classic song based on Rag Nand, composed by the legendary Madan Mohanji. This idea of blending, exploring, and finding new conversations between sounds is something that she's learned from her heroes Surendro and Soumyajit, and she's very clear that the credit for what you're about to hear belongs to them. What stays constant through all of this, the emotion, the exploration, the play, is that feeling of being accompanied.
मोह पे ये करम भी कीजिए, मोह पे ये करम भी Dada on the keyboard, Abhishek Dada on the guitar, Sudhir Dada on the octopad, and of course, Baba on the tabla.
As we move ahead, it is very important to acknowledge the sensational musicians who have been sharing the stage with Poorna today. They are highly respected artists in the Indian classical and fusion space with performances across national and international stages. And we are eternally grateful for the depth and generosity that you bring to us tonight. Thank you for everything that you have done for Poorna and for the music industry as a whole. Thank you. By the way, if you think that this is the first time Poorna is performing on her birthday, you are mistaken. Can we have the first video, please? Okay, 1 minute. We have to. I think this deserves a replay, doesn't it?
Only if my partner is ready.
Please welcome Shashank Malia on stage. Give me a second, please. This moment matters because it reminds us that Poorna didn't grow into herself alone. There are memories behind her. There is laughter that holds her steady. These are relationships that have grown alongside her music. From 5 to 13, the voice may have changed, but the joy of sharing music has not. And that is what this evening is all about showing us. Not just how she sings, but how she's been held gently as she grows.
तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, तुझे संग बैर लगाया ऐसा, रहा ना मैं फिर अपने जैसा, ओ रहा ना मैं फिर अपने कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे, आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। कांटों में मैं खड़ी नैनों के द्वार पे, निस दिन बाहर के देखो सपने, क्या जानो सजन होती है क्या गम की शाम, जल उठे सौदे जब लिया तेरा नाम।
तुम जो कह दो तो आज की रात चांद डूबेगा नहीं, रात को रोक लो, रात की बात है और जिंदगी बाकी तो नहीं।
आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, आने वाला पल जाने वाला है। हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। हो
महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से, हाय करे अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन।
You know, sometimes the loudest applause isn't the most meaningful response. Sometimes it's the quieter voices, the ones that have watched from the sidelines, the ones that remember you before the stage felt this big. Purna, there are a few people who wanted to speak to you tonight, not to perform, not to impress, but just to say something that they've been holding dear to them. Do you want to hear them? Can we have video too?
Happy birthday, Punuri.
Happy birthday, Punnu. Happy birthday.
The way you sing, it is very pure. Stay like that and keep singing more and more. You are very good.
Hi Purna, I love you, my child. Follow your passion and do what your heart says. Love you. Happy birthday, my dearie.
Hari Om Purnesh, happy birthday. What I truly love about you, how beautifully you value family. Follow your dreams, follow your heart, and Aquaka loves you.
Happy birthday, dear Punnaga. Happy birthday to you.
I'm sure you're enjoying with all the arrangements made by Ai, Baba, Mummy, Papa, Amma, Ajja, everybody. Stay blessed. Happy birthday to you. Stay healthy. Enjoy.
Hi Cheda, my dear Purnu Babu. Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to our shining star, Punnu Babu. Itlu gondu Shanu Babu etu teenage anta etta so. Wow, amazing Cheda. Keep singing from your heart.
All the good wishes.
Hello, happy birthday Purna from your favorite mama and also your bestest friend. Finally, you're turning into a teen, and the only advice I would like to give you is that please don't ever change. Teenage years are the best years of your life, so please enjoy them to the fullest.
आय नो आता तू परत भांडणार आहेस माझ्याशी की तनु मावशी इट्स बिन 8-10 years की तू माझ्या बर्थडेला नाही आली आहेस. बट क्विक क्वेश्चन, माझा बर्थडे कधी आहे? आठवतं का?
Hi Punnu. Be a kind-hearted person the way you are. You have a very beautiful soul.
Happy birthday, Purna.
Just wanted to tell you,
You are indeed extremely talented when it comes to singing.
we are your biggest fans. We love you very much.
I love you. Have an amazing birthday and I'll see you soon. Bye.
This was a small surprise for Purna. At some point, music stopped being just something that Purna enjoyed and became something that she started to choose. Not because it was easy, not because it was structured, but simply because it made her happy. This next song carries that intensity, that color, that willingness to feel fully. This is where you start to see her commitment, not driven by ambition or expectation, but by joy. It is the sound of someone staying with what they love, not because they have to, but because they want to.
रंग रे ओ रंग रेज़ तेरे रंग दरिया में ओ रंग रेज़ तेरे रंग दरिया में डूबना है बस तेरा बन हाय नहीं रहना दूजा बन के एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी खींच लेना प्राण से तन के हाय नहीं रहना दूजा बन के अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना हाँ अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग देना
Purna's understanding of love has always been very gentle. She's drawn to songs. She's drawn to songs where love isn't loud or hurried, where emotion doesn't demand answers. Where staying patiently, quietly, is its own kind of care. The next song that she's going to sing lives in this space. This song speaks to a nadan dil, a heart that feels deeply, honestly, without calculation. It reminds you that love doesn't grow through testing or proving, but through sincerity, patience, and the courage to stay. A little while ago, I asked Purna something that I'd been thinking about for a while. I asked her why she keeps coming back to music. Why, even when it gets demanding or tiring or complicated, she still chooses it every day. She thought for a moment and then she said, "That's an awesome question. But I don't know, Pachi. I've never really thought about it." A few days later, she messaged me again and said she was still thinking about this question and that she didn't still have that perfect answer. And I remember telling her this, that some things don't need perfect explanations. That if you're going to choose something, ja karna hai to pyar kar. Stay with it honestly. Let go of the need to define it. Trust what your heart already knows. Purna, you live this song more than you explain it. In the way that you return to music, in the way that it steadies you, and in the way that you stay without ego, without fear, without hurry. This isn't about having all the answers. It is about trusting your sincere heart and allowing it to grow in its own time.
मेरे नादान दिल वे कमले मेरे नादान दिल जिसे चाहा तूने सच में कितना चाहा कभी अपना भी तू ले ले इतनी सी भी खुद गर्जी तुझ में ना हो तभी इश्क दिखा पाएगा तू बेइंतहा गल सुन ले वे कमले मेरे नादान दिल वे कमले मेरे नादान बदले उसकी मुस्कान के आंसू का कतरा जो मिला कमले वे कमले रुतबा है सच्चे इश्क का इस रुतबे से कैसा मिला कमले वे कमले छोड़ के जिद सारी भूल के दर्दों को छीनना पड़ता है प्यार की करतों को तब समझ में आए प्यार में दर्दों को लाज़मी थोड़ी सी यार से दूरी है दूर से ही महके प्यार कस्तूरी है बिन जुदा हुए दास्तां अधूरी है रह बस तेरा ही होकर जो है तेरा जिसने बोला है लिख
After everything that we've heard tonight, the music, the memories, the people who have shaped Purna, there is something that we want to share together. Over time, through many conversations with Purna, one thing is pretty clear to the entire family, that she feels the world very deeply. There have been moments where she has witnessed pain and distress, and those moments have stayed with her. Sometimes she says more than things that otherwise on paper should have affected her a lot more. She notices suffering and she doesn't look away. And almost instinctively she begins to ask, what can I do? That instinct has been with Purna for a very long time. When Purna was just about 3 years old, her grandmother says that she would sit on a small swing made with a sari and humming to herself, completely lost in her own world. And somewhere in that play one day, something extraordinary happened. As she sang, she felt a presence, first of Lord Krishna, then of Lord Rama, then of Lord Vithoba. Not as a story, not as an imagination, but as something real, close, holding her. So real, in fact, that it scared her tremendously. She stopped mid-song, shaken by what she had felt, and went running to her grandmother. At an age where most children are only discovering sound, she experienced something people spend lifetime searching for. A sense of the divine not felt through prayer or learning, but through music, innocence, and simply being herself. And in many ways, this evening has come a full circle. A little girl who once called out to the divine without knowing what she was reaching for, just humming, just being herself, is now standing at the beginning of a journey where that same voice is being offered with purpose. What once connected her instinctively to something larger as a child is now becoming a way for her to reach others, to comfort, to hold, to heal. And it is from this place that we as a family are making a commitment together. This evening is not only about celebrating Purna's birthday and her music, it is also about what music stands for. Together we have begun Purna Foundation, an effort to use music, compassion and presence to support children and families navigating serious illnesses. This is not just an idea that we are announcing tonight. It is something that we have already begun. Through this foundation, we have been able to contribute to the treatment of children that are battling serious illnesses, supporting their care through various foundations like the Child Vision Foundation. This is a very small beginning, but a very meaningful one. And it marks a commitment that we are making together, to let music move beyond the stage and become a source of peace for others. As this journey begins for us, we hope it carries your good wishes and perhaps also inspires each of us to support causes that speak to our hearts in whatever way that we can. Purna Foundation is one such small step in that direction for us. This next rendition that Purna will sing hold all of this beautifully. Because when something gives your life meaning, when something becomes the reason हमारा दिल धड़कता है, it also gives us the courage to act. For us, music is that heartbeat, and that is the beginning we want to move towards.
जीना मरना जान तेरे हाथ में, 100 जन्म भी कम क्यों लागे, लागे तेरे साथ में। मैं मुसाफिर, तू मुसाफिर, इस मोहब्बत के सफर में दो अकेले रोए मिलके दोनों रब के घर में साथ तेरे ना सफर वो सफर नहीं लगता। तू है तू दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम ना आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते, तू है तू। These lines are dedicated to my beautiful family. कोई नहीं मेरा जरूरत तेरी, लागे ना जिया देखूं ना जो सूरत तेरी, तू है तू दिल धड़कता है, तू है तो सांस आती है, तू ना तो घर घर नहीं लगता, तू है तो डर नहीं लगता, तू है तो गम ना आते हैं, तू है तो मुस्कुराते हैं कि तेरे बिन सो नहीं सकते, किसी के हो नहीं सकते, तू है तो हाँ हाँ।
Some songs don't talk about love arriving loudly. They talk about how quietly it changes everything. The next song Purna is going to sing begins in a world that feels a little unfinished. Days without color, evenings without texture, moments that exist but don't quite bloom. And then love arrives. Not as an announcement, but as spring, Fagun ka mausam. Slowly, naturally, bringing color where there was none. The song understands something very tender, that the people who shape us often do so without meaning to. Unplanned paths turn into destinations. Ordinary moments begin to matter. And suddenly you realize, hum na rahe hum. Not because you lost yourself, not because you were held, guided and quietly, but because you were held, guided and quietly changed. This song sits in gratitude for the love that stays, for the people who shape the journey, for the presence that makes everything else possible.
बेरंगे थे दिन, बेरंगी शामें आई है तुमसे रंगीनियाँ।
The song she just sang leaves us all with a simple realization that no voice grows on its own. No music finds its way without being listened to, guided, and patiently shaped. If Tum Kya Mile is about recognizing what changes you, then this moment is about recognizing who helped make that change possible. Behind every note that Purna has sung and will sing tonight, there are people who listened closely when her voice was still forming, who corrected gently, who encouraged without pushing, who made space for learning, mistakes, and joy. People who didn't teach her just how to sing, but showed her how to stay with music. Tonight, we would like to pause and acknowledge some of those people, not as a formality, but as an expression of gratitude. Because journeys like these are never walked alone. They are shaped by many hands, many years, and a great deal of quiet, consistent belief. And it feels only right at this moment to thank some of those people who helped Purna become the vocalist that she is today and who are also present with us in the audience tonight. We would like to express our deepest gratitude to her music teacher, Srimati Monika Poddarji, Arjun sir, Eliza ma'am from school, her first class teacher, Miss Khushbu, Rachna teacher, who Purna is very close to, Nishi sir, Annie ma'am, who she has deep admiration for. Thank you so much for everything you have done for her and for your beautiful presence this evening. As we come to the end of the evening, almost, there is one thing that I feel is important to say. Everything that you have witnessed tonight, the music, the stories, the intention, the commitment, has come from a place of deep care. But beneath all of it, there is something even simpler. Before the music, before the purpose, before the giving, there is love. The next song that Purna will be singing is not just a song about parting. It is a song about holding, about acknowledging the fragility of moments, about saying, I see you, I am here, and this matters. As Purna steps into the next chapter of her life, with music, meaning, and responsibility that is shared by many of us, this song brings us back to the most essential truth. That no matter how far Purna goes, no matter how much she grows, she is held by family, by mentors, by love, by faith. Tonight was never about applause. It was about presence. And as we close, we want Purna to know, and for all of us here to remember, that growth does not mean moving away from love. Sometimes it simply means carrying it forward. This song is that embrace for her and for everyone in this room.